Hello everyone, this is Vidya K from first year B studying at Srinivas Institute of Technology. Today I am going to presentation a video presentation about fingerprint door lock using Arduinox. Now let us start the presentation. This is the introduction of fingerprint door lock using Arduinox. A fingerprint door lock using Arduinox is a security system that utilizes biometric technology to grant access to a door. It employs an Arduinox microcontroller to process and store fingerprint data, allowing authorized individuals to unlock the door by placing their registered fingerprint on a sensor. The Arduinox processes the fingerprint data, compares it with stored templates, and triggers the locking mechanisms to grant access. If a match is found, this technology offers a convenient and secure method of access control for various applications from residential to commercial settings. Here is some list of components needed for making the fingerprint using Arduino box. See, we need Arduino board, fingerprint sensor module, servo motor, breadboard, jumper wires, power supply, resistors, LED, push button and mounting hardware. And this is the circuit diagram which I referred to complete the overall idea of mine, and here this Arduino box is connected to overall other components, how we can use everything we can see in this. And finally, let me conclude what the use of fingerprint door lock using Arduinox. In conclusion, the fingerprint door lock system developed using Arduinox offers a secure and convenient way to control access to a space. By integrating fingerprint recognition technology, the system ensures a high level of security while eliminating the need for physical keys or traditional locks. Its compatibility with Arduino provides a versatile platform for customization and expansion. However, proper implementation, regular maintenance, and consideration of potential limitations are essential for the system's effectiveness and reliability in real-world scenarios. Thank you.